The Kospet Tank T3 Ultra is an enhanced version of the Tank T3, and shares most of its core specifications with the Tank M3 Ultra save for the compact screen and a slightly smaller battery capacity. It retains many features of the T3 but offers additional capabilities and refinements. The Tank T3 Ultra has a 1.43-inch AMOLED touchscreen with a resolution of 466 by 466 pixels, providing sharp visuals with a pixel density of 461 ppi. The display is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3, which ensures high resistance to scratches, and it has a 9H Mohs hardness rating for added durability. Like its predecessor, the Tank T3 Ultra is built with a TC for titanium unibody, meeting IP69K and MIL, STD, 810H standards for ruggedness. It is waterproof up to 50 meters, 5 ATM, and certified to operate in extreme temperatures from -40 degrees Celsius to +70 degrees Celsius. The smartwatch is also resistant to scratches and drops. The device is powered by the Action's ATS3085L chipset and features 256 MB of RAM and 256 MB of internal storage. It supports Bluetooth 5.3 for connectivity and Bluetooth calling, and it is compatible with Android 5.1 Plus and iOS 10 Plus. One notable addition to the Tank T3 Ultra is its built-in GPS, which enhances navigation features compared to the standard T3. The battery capacity is 470 mAh, slightly larger than the 410 mAh battery in the T3, and the watch weighs 81.8 grams. It is available in black and silver colors, and includes Hi-Fi Bluetooth calling, a waterproof noise reduction microphone, and AI voice input.